Hello. Yeah. Today I'm gonna be playing Animal Hospital for the first time. I have no idea what it's about. Wait, what color am I? Purple. How do I know what color I am? What do I do? Alright, I have to done this. I'm here for my appointment. Let's take photos. Exactly. Want to. Oh! Open the door. Take Sam. Ouch. Oh, right here. Fly. There we go. What? The doctor's arriving. Thanks. Just keep working. I will fix up the shutters and stop. This is definitely an anomaly. I mean, you look normal to me. Okay. Oh my gosh, that was the night. I actually got scared. Oh my gosh. Wait, I can't shut it? Let me shut it. It's blocking it. I'm shutting the door. Take DNA. I'm actually scared. Momo's gonna get me. Please. Wait, I can't look up! Wait, I did not know that. Wait, what? Okay, bye. I didn't know you could do a ritual stuff. This is scaring me. I had to do that? I'm gonna look up 3. Wait, weren't you? No. What is my sandy? Wait. What? One died? Oh my gosh. Yes. I am. Also check the no. Oh. Where's my crock? 4.
I'm getting out of here.
You know what? After I finish this patient, I'm gone. Okay. Bye.